Ole, 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 ole. Feel it suck, suck, suck. So Manchester United have done the unthinkable. They have sacked legendary coach Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. And can I tell you, this was a terrible decision. Why would they fire such a gentleman and a legend, a man who is so loved and respected by the players, the fans, and the hierarchy of the club? This was a backward step by Manchester United, and I hope they paid dearly for this decision. And for the record, I do not wish Manchester United all the best in the next phase of their journey. In fact, I wish them all the very worst. I personally hope and pray that things continue to spiral further and further down the road of despair till them get relegated. I wanted Ole to remain at Man U for another 10 to 15 years. We just hope they don't make any more radical changes, such as removing Harry Maguire as captain. Maguire too should be signed to at least another 5-year deal. In a very serious way though, Manchester United struggling is good for the sanity of humanity. Life is more peaceful and purposeful for the rest of us. And Ole was a big part of that equation. So I am supporting Ole. We need Ole. No, it's the wrong one. Yes, we need Ole for the good of humanity. Ole in. Ole in.